EXON empowers everyone to become a data analyst, an Excel process automation solution for your entire organization. In the workplace, we're surrounded by thousands of Excel files. Endless emailing, downloading, and data integration involve repetitive copying and pasting. Automating the process is not a choice, but mandatory. Avoid manual human errors and achieve increased accuracy and productivity. Combine data and extract analytical information faster. Make the right decision more quickly. Discover EXON. Turn raw Excel data into a meaningful report immediately. EXON works like this. Bring database data to an Excel spreadsheet. Create a report in Excel, and then see them on the HTML5 web page. Any changed data is updated in the database. Connect the data you care about. Extract raw data directly to an Excel spreadsheet, simply using drag and drop. Coding required? Don't worry. SQL is automatically generated. Simply develop any UI in the Excel. EXON automatically converts it to the web. Develop simple functions using drag and drop, like a refresh button. Again, no coding is required. Design your report in Excel as always. Saving. See the report uploaded to the web. Directly use Excel functions, such as headings, sheet tabs, formula bar. On-the-spot Excel formulas and logics are available. Automatically create an HTML5 page using the company's Excel file. Technology that easily designs screens in Excel and connects functions and web components. Data is analyzed on the web. Coding is still not required. EXON, an enterprise platform connecting every user to the data. Anyone with authority can manage the data in any browser and on any device. EXON, turning every generalist into a data analyst.